Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1992 Ford Mustang. Forest green, convertible, 5-speed manual as you see down here. One of the really cool settings about this vehicle is the radio system. I've never seen that special feature down there. Must have been a special model with this car. Other than that, the white seats, bucket seats, very beautiful, very clean, no tears, no rips. Same for the dash. This is a power top car. Mean sound coming out the back.
Yeah, sounds good.
The power top really does add a nice feature. Sound, performance, everything about this car is clean, really mean. Especially you can hear it out the back. I believe this does have straight pipe exhaust out the back. But yeah, it's a mean little Mustang right here at Skyway Classics. Ready to perform, ready to take home. Anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.